Top 5 video editing apps for fast social media publishing.
Need to get eye-catching videos on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube quickly? These 5 mobile video editing apps are designed to help you edit, polish, and publish social-ready content in record time. Find out which tools can speed up your workflow, offer smart automation, and ensure your videos stand out on today's busiest platforms.
1. CapCut, all-in-one for quick edits.
CapCut is a popular free app optimized for rapid social media editing. It offers intuitive tools, preset templates, filters, and trending effects, all in a smooth interface. With direct export to TikTok and other platforms, CapCut lets you cut, trim, add text, and even auto-generate captions with minimal effort, making fast publishing easy for creators on the go.
2. InShot, simple yet powerful.
InShot is known for its balance of simplicity and features. With easy video trimming, speed adjustments, music overlays, and a wide array of stickers, it's perfect for anyone who wants to produce polished content quickly. Its aspect ratio options make it simple to optimize for vertical or square formats, and you can save and share your videos directly to social platforms within seconds.
3. VN Video Editor, professional control, fast workflow.
VN Video Editor delivers advanced editing tools in a user-friendly package. Multi-layer editing, timeline control, and professional transitions let you craft detailed videos swiftly. Batch export and customizable templates help accelerate the process, making this app a favorite for users who need both flexibility and speed for their Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or TikTok posts.
4. Adobe Premiere Rush, cross-device efficiency.
Adobe Premiere Rush streamlines the video editing process with cloud sync across mobile and desktop. You can start editing on your phone and finish on your computer, or vice versa. Its drag-and-drop interface, preset motion graphics, and easy aspect ratio switching mean you can create and share professional-looking videos for any social media channel with minimal delay.
5. Splice, swift editing on the go.
Splice is designed for users who need to quickly assemble and share quality videos from their phones. With one-tap trimming, automatic syncing to music, and a selection of transitions and effects, Splice makes editing short videos fast and fun. Its export options cater specifically to social media requirements, helping you deliver content to your audience without hassle.
Choosing the best app for your Speedy content.
Each of these apps shines in fast video editing and social media-ready exports. CapCut and InShot offer simplicity and trendy effects. VN provides pro-level control. Premiere Rush excels in cross-device editing, and Splice streamlines swift creation. Try them to see which meets your style and workflow. With the right app, getting your videos online quickly is easier than ever.